You know, when you know people like Harold who are always trying to prevent you from moving forward, the dating scene can be tough as it is. So imagine having to deal with that, plus adding children to the mix. How do you handle it? I don't know why all the men in the room just went.
Well, everybody know about the story where I have a rich friend and say him nah introduce you to the rich friend can say yeah, go take the man money and run away with it. So
It's just bad mind, Arrow, bad mind. So does the friend have children? I want to know when I date him. Does he have children?
Arrow, talk your mind. Him not no children, so you're good to go.
I like my tell. So how do you handle it? Dating? Boy, that one, yeah.
So it's okay. So you and the person who are father/mother of your child have parted ways, and you're now moving on with your life. What happens after that? Do you, first and foremost, unless it is a serious relationship, I don't believe that children should be introduced to any and every person that walks through your life that you date, because dating is a very wide definition. You know.
So this one says, what if your child doesn't like the guy you're dating? Problems.
Well, I mean, I don't see how it's a big, well, it's different for every person,
it would depend on why the child doesn't like the person.
Maybe because it's not daddy.
Right. So if it's because it's not daddy, it means it might take a little time. But sometimes children sense impending danger, you know. When we not know it, children sense impending danger. And if children say, something not,
Yeah, if it's a situation where it's just that I don't like you because you're not my daddy, then maybe you should give it a little bit of thought. But if it's that the child actually feels like he or she is threatened by this person, then you really should take a moment and find out why. But then, as me say, if he's not a serious person, then they shouldn't even meet the picnic at all.
Yeah.
So, I mean, unless it's something serious which you're willing to give him or her a second thought for, then the person even shouldn't be a part of the story.
Anybody that you date, ladies, if your child has a problem warming up to them, you really want to commit to the kind of man that will take the time to give the child time to get used to them and warm up. So if it's a man, him say, the picnic don't like me, I can't buy the picnic. That's all right.
It's not just a man, it's a man and a woman. It don't matter whoever the person is.
If
the other person, or it's a guy.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
If the other person does not take the time out or doesn't respect you and love your child enough to wait a minute and allow the child to warm up, then what you do with that? That's not them.
Well, this might be a very old-fashioned statement, but I think any woman will have a problem with children.
A man picnic?
Yeah. Any woman when I like children, me no.
And I'm not saying, I don't think what you mean is not about having children, it's about actually being able to like and
if you're dating someone and he has kids, and as a woman, you have an issue, the kids can't come wish by you there, and if they come at my house. The kids, I have a problem with that, and I don't think no man should really even be thinking about a woman. No,
right?
Something wrong with that.
All right, the next question that came up here
that
was,
Jody's standing in front of.
Is that right? How do you cope, or would you cope with the baby mamas?
Oh, Jesus.
Do you avoid the baby mamas?
You can't avoid the baby mamas.
Befriend the baby mamas. You can avoid the baby mamas, you know. Let me tell you how. You see, if you and a gentleman together and that gentleman respect you enough to not have you mingling with the baby mothers, you can avoid them completely.
Yeah, but I'm going to tell you the problem. I believe that if you are going to engage with a child, you have to respect both parents.
That's right, I agree.
And no disrespect to the men, but sometimes the men will say, it's all right, his mother not going to mind. Or our mother not going to mind. When the mother probably will mind.
Mind if what?
Yeah, so like for example,
if the child is around a new girlfriend, you mean?
No, maybe it's something as simple as the mother likes to comb the child's hair
and then
herself
the
or a
girlfriend
particular
go
way.
comb the ear.
And then you're out for your day, you say, hey, why we don't carry her go comb her hair? Ask her mom. And him say, she not gonna mind.
Yeah.
And then when the child reach home now, the mother say,
I saw something.
Yeah, you man carry my picnic go comb her ear and then never ask me about comb my picnic ear.
Yeah.
All of that can be avoided, ladies, by just a simple experience. But I just think women should respect women.
Communication.
You know what I mean? Women should just respect women. You and baby mother, you and the man have an issue.
That
not carried forward to him and the next lady. Yeah. That's not you and the next lady issue. So if she's trying to be cordial, be cordial. You don't have to fight everybody. You know what I mean? So if she say, hi, I want to take the child, make it easy for the child. I'm going to get the picnic and some mix up, you know.
All right, bigger question for you.
Yeah.
Next one. How can you discipline, or do you think that it is the job or in the rights of the new partner to discipline the people in the picnic?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. That is not your right. If the child do something, go to the daddy or go to the mother if you is the other partner and say, partner.
Get permission first.
Which permission? We don't even want permission. Partner, the child did so and so and so. It is up to you, I think, to handle this scenario. I don't think it's my job to go discipline them at the picnic. As a girlfriend?
No, if the parent is away. No. If the parent is away and is you alone with the child.
As in you live in with the child alone? If you must discipline them?
Yeah.
I retain what I said. I'm not going to take that on.
No, if I'm going to ground the child or take something from them, if the parent is away, we can't wait till you come back. I would say, Harold, look, he was acting up, I'm going to take the phone. At least I'm going to tell him I'm going to take the phone. And then tell the mother,
I'm not talking about that kind of discipline.
Tell the mother, say, the picnic, I miss baby, no, I'm going to take the phone.
So, me take the phone from the picnic. Me not talk about that.
You mean lay hands up on a child?
First of all, I don't lay hands on a child, not at all. But what I'm talking about is like serious punishment. Like, how do you say, all right, I'm gonna ground you. All right, say the parent is away for 4 days and the child has done something wrong. Do you then say, all right, you're not going to this party after them parents give them authority to go there already?
No, that's what I'm saying. I would tell the other parent that the child has done this, and I think they should not go.
So you have to consult the parent first before you make up a decision. Say, all right, Ray, me I gotta do this. No, sir. No, me no want that for me at all. Next thing you know.
No, because Mommy, if you don't do that, you're gonna end up in a problem now of that child
not respecting you.
They can do all kind of things wrong.
Right.
When the next parent is not there.
I believe that the parent.
But what anyway, Jody, who has the final say, or does anyone have the final say about how many children we as a couple should have? It's a shared. I think it's a shared discussion. No, it's a shared discussion, Sakina, because me hear some woman say, no, I don't want to have any children, and the man said, but I want a child.
Well, that's why you
don't want
to
have
any children. Decision.
I want a child.
Make that
then when the man walk a little one past them say, you see, you're wicked.
No, that decision.
You're going to have a child.
That decision. All right, maybe you're right. It is a couple decision. Yeah. But it has to happen before they make a permanent commitment to each other, whatever that permanent commitment is. So, because if I tell you beforehand, say, me now have none.
Yes.
And you say, okay, I'm good with that.
Then, good.
And then you decide, say, you're going to walk in a little picnic. We might have a little issue. But cousin said, I did tell you, I said, I want one. Say it was okay. You never tell me say you plan for go get one
but
anyway.
Make it be a shared thing, ladies. Don't make the man say I have 6 picnic and I don't want. If you take up Marvin, you know.
Marvin have 9.
And Marvin say I have 9 children. I don't want one more. And you sneak in 10, 11, 12.
You can't do that because Marvin can't afford any more children. Right, Marvin? You can't afford any more. After the 9 that you have, why would you want to have any more children? See, so ladies, if you're gonna pick up Marvin, know that he doesn't want any more children. Be understanding of that and know so you're making a decision not to have any more.
Personally, I would tell you don't pick up Marvin, but I mean, it's no chance.
Well, we're going for a break. So you learn what you're supposed to learn. Oh,
one more?
Wait, she said we have one more.
Oh,
if you have a child but your partner does not, do you feel compelled to have a child for the partner?
If the partner...
That was in the last part.
Yeah, that's if the partner says...
part.
That's if the partner says, I want a child.
Yeah. Would you feel
some
compelled?
Ladies take up some man doing, you know, and them want a child.
Oh.
Does anyone... We did read that.
Already. We do it already,
Kadeen in there argue with Bora and that, hear what I say.
We do it already, man.
But if the man already has like 6 children and you say, but I want a child, and him say, no, I don't want that. Ladies, nobody sit down with him till you're 60.
Exactly, and then you don't get to
and then you say you don't have a child.
Just know not go work and move on to another relationship. I agree.
Moral of the story.
Don't do with Marvin.
Yes. That's what I mean, like it's like
we're going
to nail on the head, don't they?